Imagine a convoy of trucks gliding down the highway, no drivers at the wheel. This is not science fiction. This is the future of transportation driven by autonomous technology. Companies like Aurora, Volvo, and Daimler Trucks are leading the charge. These pioneers are developing self-driving systems that can revolutionize trucking. DHL, a global logistics leader, is already using Volvo's autonomous trucks. In Texas, these trucks are hauling goods, demonstrating the real-world potential of this technology. However, the road to autonomy has had its bumps. Some companies like Waymo Via, Too Simple, and Embark have faced challenges. They've had to scale back or change course. This highlights the complexity of bringing autonomous vehicles to market. The year 2024 marked a turning point. Companies like Aurora tested fully driverless trucks. Imagine that, trucks navigating highways on their own. This is a major step towards making autonomous trucking a common sight on our roads. The future is arriving, one autonomous mile at a time. The trucking industry faces major hurdles. One is the shortage of drivers. In the United States alone, over 80,000 drivers are needed. This shortage is projected to double by 2030. Europe faces an even greater crisis. Over 200,000 driver positions are unfilled. This number could skyrocket to 745,000 in the next 5 years. The shortage of drivers is a global concern. Another challenge is rising costs. Fuel prices fluctuate, driver wages are increasing, environmental regulations add to the burden. All these factors contribute to the high cost of transportation. These rising costs impact businesses and consumers alike. The need for a solution is clear. Autonomous trucks offer a way forward. They have the potential to reshape the transportation landscape. First, they can address the driver shortage. With no need for drivers, autonomous trucks can operate 24/7. This increased efficiency can help alleviate supply chain bottlenecks. Second, they can help reduce transportation costs. Autonomous trucks can optimize fuel efficiency. They can also minimize accidents, lowering insurance premiums. Over time, these savings can add up, making trucking more affordable. Furthermore, autonomous trucks can contribute to a greener future. Electric and hydrogen-powered autonomous trucks produce zero emissions. They can also optimize routes and driving patterns, further reducing their environmental impact. The journey to full autonomy has distinct stages. Constrained autonomy, or hub-to-hub transport, is the first step. Human drivers handle the beginning and end of the journey, navigating city streets and complex loading docks. Autonomous trucks then handle the long-haul stretches on highways. This approach allows for a gradual integration of the technology. Full autonomy is the ultimate goal. Trucks would travel from distribution centers to their final destinations without human intervention. This requires advanced technology, robust infrastructure, and comprehensive regulations. This level of autonomy will take time and significant investment to achieve. Semi-autonomous systems provide immediate benefits. These systems assist drivers with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. This reduces driver fatigue and improves safety. This approach is particularly relevant in regions like China, where long-haul trucking is prevalent. The economic implications of autonomous trucking are significant. McKinsey, a global consulting firm, estimates potential savings of up to 42% in operating costs for long-haul routes. This translates to substantial cost reductions for businesses and consumers. However, there are challenges. The upfront cost of autonomous technology is high. Building the necessary infrastructure will require significant investment. Public perception and safety concerns need to be addressed. Clear regulations are essential for widespread adoption. The social impact of this technology is profound. Job displacement is a concern. As autonomous trucks take over, some driving jobs will be lost. However, new opportunities will emerge. Technicians will be needed to maintain and repair these sophisticated vehicles. Logistics specialists will be in high demand to manage these autonomous fleets. The trucking industry will transform, requiring workers to adapt and acquire new skills. The future of trucking is autonomous. The road ahead is clear. To embrace this future, we need further cost reductions in autonomous technology. Safety must be paramount, and clear regulatory frameworks are essential. The journey may be long, but the destination is worth it. A world with safer, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation. This is the promise of autonomous trucking, a revolution on the road ahead.